action.
This dish has pancake mix, milk, blueberries, and chocolate chips, and you will need a microwave to bake it.
And we'd like to welcome our esteemed judge, Mr. Freeland. He will be doing a taste test this morning and giving us his feedback as to how he enjoys the flavor. So please, Mr. Esteemed Judge, proceed.
Okay, this the blueberry mix. It just makes the perfect taste.
Very good. What about the chocolate chips? Did they add a little something?
Yes, they made it a little chocolate.
Wonderful. So would you give it a 1 thumb up, a 2 thumb up, a 1 thumb down, or a 2 thumb down?
I would probably rate it
2 thumbs up. Very rare. Well, thank you both for your time.